All right, so you're welcome to today's live trading session. My name remains Tunmise Olaoluwa, and as we all know, today we'll be going through live trading analysis. All right, and as our custom is, I would like each and every one of you to introduce yourself. Let me know your location. Okay, I think some of you are already doing it. Okay, I can see Monday from Delta State. Christian from Imo State, Taiwo from Taiwo is saying please be calm. Thank you very much, Taiwo. Everyone, I'm sorry once again for the delay. It was actually I never expected it, so and I had network issues. Alright, so straight to the analysis for today. Nice to meet you, everyone. So great. So today we'll be looking at taking in some live trades on the pounds USD. Okay, now let me clear this chart so we can have opportunity to take some live trades. All right, good. There is a lot of things I want us to notice from this this market, right? So looking at the GBP USD, all right, the first thing when I say when you open the market, you are asking yourself a very important question, and the question is, what is the current market structure? All right, what is the current market structure? Are we in an uptrend or are we in a downtrend? Okay, the second thing is you apply the first one, which is on the asking yourself what is the market structure on a higher time frame. Okay, so I could just say you go to the highest time frame first, then you ask yourself what has been the market structure at the higher time frame. So we start with the monthly time frame, right? So you can see that on the monthly time frame, fine, the market has been in a downtrend. How do we know that? So you can see here the market has been in a downtrend. Okay, also in recent times, the market in the past few years, the market has been in a consolidating form. The market has been choppy. All right, choppy. So sometimes you want to be able to track the lines. Okay, so we'll change it to line charts. Why are we changing it to line charts? So that we are able to identify the contours, right, the real edges where price actually closed and opened, right? So we will be near accurate marking out those edges. Good. So now that we've been able to identify that the market has been in a downtrend for years, and in the past few years, the market has actually been in a choppy mode. Now, in a choppy mode, in the sense that, let me make it more obvious so that for persons who are not really getting what I'm saying. So you look at this now. This region here, this rectangle where I place this box, all right, you will discover that the market has been consolidating at this level. Okay, so the market came down here, went up to this level, came down here again, went up to this level. Obviously, you will see that the market has been ranging, all right, ranging between this resistance level and this support level. All right, now our next line of action is to spot opportunities, because that is why we are here. Okay, now let's spot these opportunities. Now that we have resistance level, let me make it obvious. Let me write it out so that you all can see it. Resistance level, resistance. Okay, let me use caps, all cap, resistance level. All right, now this is resistance level. Okay, good. Then this level is support. Let's put it here. Change it to red. Let's change this to red. Crimson. Looking for red. Good. Okay. Then this is support level. Sorry, support level. Yeah, support. Support level. Good. Now, we have been able to identify that the market has been in a consolidating form from 2015 to 2022, in which we are currently at. And we are able to identify that there have been two resistance levels marked on the monthly time frame. Now let's identify this resistance level. I will use the circle eclipse to identify them. So we can see this one, another one here. All right, then okay, good. Then another one. Good. So now we are able to identify that this is a level where resistance took place. This is another level where resistance took place. I want to believe that you guys are following me. So if you are following me, let me know in the comment section. Just drop it in the comment section saying following. Alright? Following. I want to know if you are following me. Then at this level, we have 3 levels of support that have been tested now. 3 levels of support have been tested. Okay? Coming this level of support. Let's put in another. Okay. This level of support. Okay. Then this level of support. Right? Now, okay, can you hear me? Yeah. All right. Okay, so I believe you all can hear me. Now, we have been able to identify that at the resistance level, there are 2 levels where price has actually gone to touch. Okay, now, and at the support level, there are 3 levels where price has actually gone to touch. All right, on the support level, we are at the last lap. Okay, now look at this. Now look at this. 1, this is for support. 2, this for another support. Then 3, this for another support. Okay, now when you look at the resistance level, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, now the interesting thing is this, that we need to now know the most likely place where price would get to. Alright, now let's pay attention to the support levels. So if you look at this level here, price was rejected at this level, and same thing happened at this level. Now look at this level where there is a long wick. It shows massive price rejection. Now let's take a closer look at this price level. Right, a closer look at this price level sees that price was rejected, and this is the second rejection. Now this spells out a lot of indication that there is a potential bull run that is coming in soon on the pounds USD. Alright, there is a potential bull run that is coming in soon on the pounds USD. Alright, good. Now, okay, good. Now, you will see that this level where price has been rejected twice, okay, is a level to pay attention to. Don't forget this is a monthly time frame, which shows that this previous pin bar, right? This previous bullish pin bar was formed in the month of May, right? In the month of May, which is last month. Okay, now this bullish, the current bullish pin bar is being formed in the month of June, which is the new month we have entered, and today is just 2nd of June. All right, this shows a bullish indication. Now, before we take our judgment, okay, now before we take our judgment, we would need to discover that we would need to look at the the lower time frame. We would need to look at the lower time frame. Okay, yeah, we would need to look at the lower time frame, and it's the lower time frame that will help us determine what exactly is currently going on in the market. Okay, what exactly is currently going on in the market? Good. Now, let's go to the lower time frame, which is the weekly time frame. Okay, now we can see what is playing out on the weekly time frame, right? On the weekly time frame, we can see that the market has actually given a bullish signal. All right, the market gave a bullish signal here. So look at it in the last 3 weeks. Let's look at last week. Okay, last week closed at a bullish with a bullish momentum. Okay, the previous week closed with a bullish momentum. When the previous week closed, right, the following week actually opened and also closed above the previous bullish candle. All right, now it is because of this close that we now have so much rejection to the downward side. Okay, now you look at this week here. Now this week here now give us an indication that there are a lot of buy orders at this support level, right? And this support level now shows that what buyers are willing to buy at this price, and that is why we saw a massive rejection to the upside. Okay, now this massive rejection to the upside is an indication of a bullish momentum coming in. Okay, now we could see what price did at this level here, where there was a rejection here, and then price was choppy, and later you could see how price broke out, and then there was a massive move back to the resistance level. So what are we looking at in this level now? So let's map out some minor resistance level within this chart that we have here. So what are the minor resistance level? We could see it here, right? Now look at the minor resistance level. Okay, now now look at it. There is a minor resistance level here, right? Minor resistance level. So if we are going to be taking a trade, all right, we'll be taking a trade and most likely targeting this level, where the minor resistance level, right, as our take profit level. Do you get that? Okay, now let's look at the daily time frame, which will take us lower, so that we can actually see what price is doing at the lower time frame. All right, good. Now obviously we can see that price has actually showed massive rejection at this level. Now this is a good time to position for a buy order at this level. However, we would need some confirmation. All right, we would need some confirmation at this level. Okay, now let's look at the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hours time frame. Okay, good. When I say potential bull run, a potential bull run means that the market is preparing for an upside. Do you get that? So the market is preparing for an upside. That's a potential bull run. So we can see that in this case now, good. Now, so the lower time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame, is telling us a better story here. Right now, we could see how that rejection we saw on the monthly time frame, this is how it is on the 4 hours time frame. Right now, good. So this is another minor resistance level we want to look out for. All right. So it would be a good time to buy in two places. Okay, a buyer can decide to buy now, all right, and another trader can decide to wait for the market to break out of this level of the 1.26610 level. All right, now so when there is a breakout of this level, then you can confirm for a buy. Okay, you can confirm for a buy. So let's do something here now. For a potential profit, you want to wait to confirm for a buy here, or we set a buy order. So because we are seeing this level as a potential level to buy, all right, then we'll place a buy order. So let's place a buy order on this level. Let's place a buy stop on this level. Okay, so we've placed a buy stop on this level, as you can see. However, we would I was told that the network is bad. Okay,